If you're looking for another cocktail with violet that's not an aviation, keep watching and let's talk drinks. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a cocktail that was created by a fellow by the name of Richard Bacano in New York City in 2007. He was working at a bar called Little Branch, and obviously this is a twist on an aviation. And I've never tried it before, so I saw this in Steve the Bartender's book, which is just here. Check it out, it is amazing. And if you haven't seen Steve the Bartender, his YouTube channel, he is the granddaddy, not the granddaddy because he's not old, but he's the man here in Australia that we all look up to. And perfect for Christmas presents, by the way. Get online, find it, just Google it. I bought mine through Amazon, so check it out. Now, this cocktail is equal parts, 4 different ingredients, and we might as well just start straight away. And the first ingredient that it calls for is 22.5 mils, or 3/4 of an ounce of a gin. We're going to use the 18th Amendment Australian Dry Gin. We're lucky enough to win a gold medal for this gin earlier this year for Best Victorian Gin. And I've got to tell you, we were super excited about it, so check it out. Available through Paramount Liquor and hairydog.com if you're here in Australia. With an amazing array of international and Australian botanicals. Definitely worth checking out. Next ingredient, it calls for a violet syrup. I don't have a violet syrup, so I'm going to use the Tempest Fugit Violet Liqueur. Calls for 22.5 mils. I'm going to do a little bit less, probably about 17.5, because I think it might be a little bit sweet. And I'll be able to adjust that. That's without even trying. Next up, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec. I'm going to use Cointreau. And last but not least, once again, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh, always state fresh, lemon juice. Shake that down. Don't forget to chill your glassware down if you're old school like me. I prefer to do that. Shake. All right. Smells really tasty. There's aromas coming through the botanicals from the gin and that violet. Can't wait to try this. Look at that beautiful color. So make sure that you actually pour this into like a Camorra or a smaller cocktail glass. As you can see, it is a short drink. If you put it into like a large coupette or a martini glass, you're going to find that the wash line is going to be a little bit too big. And for the garnish, it is a lemon twist. Just to express those oils into the cocktail. I'm going to actually discard this one because I think it's really pretty on its own. I don't want this sort of chunky lemon peel sitting in my cocktail. What a great color. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Yum. That's really good. I love the addition of the Cointreau to that and the lemon juice. The gin is definitely coming through. That's one thing that we made sure that when we made our gin is it's high in juniper, because a lot of the classic cocktails, especially like aviations and something like this drink, if you're using a gin that doesn't have stronger juniper botanicals, it sort of gets hidden, becomes a little bit like a vodka. That's punching through perfectly. Smells good, looks good, reads well. Guests, friends are going to love it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon on Let's Talk Drinks.